Good evening and welcome to the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. The Office of Utilities Regulation, OUR, has rejected the Jamaica Public Service Company's 2019-2024 tariff review application. The application proposed a 3.2% monthly increase in electricity bills. The OUR says the application was rejected because of material deficiencies, including the absence of critical information and supporting documents. It noted, however, that JPS is allowed to resubmit its application when the identified deficiencies have been addressed. On Monday, Richard Biles takes up the post as governor at the Bank of Jamaica. And ahead of that, executives and shareholders of Red Stripe, where Mr. Biles was up to recently the chairman, bid him goodbye in a ceremony last night.
Your punctuality is impeccable. I've never seen you get somewhere late.
Man of courage, strong character, and the willpower to overcome obstacles.
All good, my friend, and all the best and blessings. And our losses, Jamaica's gain with BOJ. Respect.
In response, Mr. Biles says his decision to take up the role of central bank governor was fueled by his nationalistic ambitions.
Really almost heartbreaking moments for me. And you can ask yourself the question, why would I be, doing this? And it's simply that I love working for the country. I really do. I've had a lot of I've had success in working for business, and don't get me wrong, I mean, I love Sagicor to death too. But working for the country is special. Everybody wants to see Jamaica make progress, and I do too. And I want to have a meaningful impact, and that is why I'm doing what I'm doing.
A call this evening for business people, particularly those in the business process outsourcing BPO sector, to look to St. Mary as the next destination for their investments. Chief Executive Officer of Jamaica Producers, Jeffrey Hall, made the call at a scholarship handing over ceremony on Wednesday. Mr. Hall said his company is the largest private employer in the parish and backed the workers to help deliver productive numbers for investors. He said while agriculture remains viable in St. Mary, the parish is ready to transition to other sectors.
We believe that the transportation links are only getting better, and so we're very optimistic about St. Mary. We think that St. Mary has the potential not only to add value to agricultural products, but also to look at the world of tourism and to look at the world of business process outsourcing as well.
In currency trading, the day ended with the US dollar selling for $135.59. The Canadian dollar closed at $102.28. The pound is now selling for $163.80, while the euro ended the day at $152.79. The JSE index lost 4,806 points today, while the junior market index is down by 22 points. Among today's winners were Main Event Entertainment Group, Iron Rock Insurance, Blue Power Group, Cygnus Credit Investment USD Shares, and Wigton Wind Farm. On the losing side were Palace Amusement, Consolidated Bakeries, Pulse Investments, Indies Pharma, and iCreate. And that's the Financial Week. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.